Hi guys, today we have an English quiz. Okay, now pause the video, try to answer it, and come back when you have finished. Alright, number one, children blank at school yesterday. Children was all children were. The keyword here is children. Children is the plural form of child. One child. Two children, three children, okay? And was is used for singular noun and were is used for plural noun. Children is a plural noun, okay? So the answer is were. Children were at school yesterday. Alright, next. Tim blank in London. Tim lives in London or Tim live in London? Okay, remember this, guys. Whenever you have he, she, it, the base verb is followed by s or es, like does, writes, lives. The base verb plus s or es, okay? Tim is he, so the answer is Tim lives in London. Next, I like blank books about alien. I like reading or I like read. Okay, the keyword here is like. Remember this, guys. Whenever you have like, love, or hate, they are followed by base verb plus ing form or 2 plus verb 1. Alright? So the answer is plus ing form, okay? Because there is no to here. The answer will be reading. Or you can also say to read. I like reading. I like to read, okay? The answer is reading. I like reading a book about alien. Next, we have a dance lesson blank Monday. Okay, on or in. On is used for days and on is also used for dates, like on Saturday, on January 1st, alright? And in is used for months and years, like in January. In 2024, in is also used for seasons, like in winter, in summer. And the keyword here is Monday, okay? So, we use on or in. The answer is on, because it is a day, right? We have dance lesson on Monday. Next, look, Cody is playing football. Cody is playing or Cody is play. The keyword here is. So whenever you have is or am or are or was or were, they are followed by base verb plus ing form, okay? So the answer is play or playing. Ing form, remember? The answer is playing. Cody is playing football. Easy, right? Okay, next. The students blank playing in the park. Is or are. The students is or the students are. The keyword here is students. Students is a plural noun, okay? Is used for singular noun and are is used for plural noun. The singular of students is student, one student, and the plural form is students, two students, three students, and etc. Okay? So the answer is are. The students are playing in the park. because it is plural. Alright, next, everyone blank happy. Are or is? Now it's your turn to answer. Let me know in the comment below. If you find this video useful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.